In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert your long videos to shorts using CapCut free AI tool. It doesn't matter whether you are subscribed or you are using the free version of the app. They have enough credits for you to convert your long videos to shorts. After you convert your long videos to shorts, you can post it as YouTube shorts, you can post it as Instagram Reels, or even on TikTok. Now go over to your CapCut app. After you open it, you get to your home page. It is from this home page that you get to navigate the tool. Don't create a new project yet. You can see that there are other tools on this home page. What you have to do is to click on the first one. After clicking on it, you get to upload the long videos that you want to convert to shorts. To upload your video, you can either drag and drop or click on the icon to take you to your computer files. After uploading your video, you wait for it to process a bit, and then it will open an interface that tells you to choose the type of caption you want. Now I use the default for this. You can choose any caption you want, and then it goes ahead to tell you to choose the time frame. You just leave it at auto so that you allow the AI do its thing. Then the last part is optional. You get to, if there is a funny aspect of your video, you can use the moment where that makes people laugh or the moments that hit hard. But I didn't add anything for this particular video, but because there was no need. After doing that, you wait for it to process, and after it has processed, you get to see various versions of your long form videos that has already been converted to shorts. You can see that it merges different parts of the video that makes sense together. For this case, this is the result I got.
The first one is your subject. The key to making your
this video is not so long, it's about a 3 minutes or so length, so maybe yours can be longer and you can get more shots from it. Now you go ahead and export. If you are a free user, you can export by tugging off some features that requires pro plan subscription. So you can see that I turned off some features so that I'll be able to export for free, and after exporting, just go straight to your gallery or straight to your files. If you benefited from this video, subscribe so you get to see more CapCut tutorials and how to use AI tools better. Drop your comments so that I get to meet you as well. If you use CapCut a lot for your video editing, or whether you use a template and anything relating to CapCut tips and tricks usually interests you, you can check out this playlist, because I usually update the playlist with new tips and tricks relating to CapCut video editing.